just picking some sage for our next recipe. We're gonna be making a pecan crusted fish dish. We'll need 2 fillets of fish. We have a cup of frozen mixed berries, some chopped crumbled pecans. You can use any other nut of your choice. We've got some chia seeds, maple syrup, some sage leaves, and then lemon, salt, and pepper. First step is to make the chia seed jam. So we're gonna add in a cup of frozen berries. You can use whatever berries you wish. I have a super blend right here with black sweet cherries, blackberries, and blueberries. So we're gonna let this simmer until it's nice and soft. Now I'm gonna drop some sage leaves in here as well. We're gonna let it simmer with a touch of maple syrup. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove, and then we're gonna take out or fish out the sage leaves. So good. So pour all your fruit puree into a bowl. And then into this, we're gonna stir in the chia seeds. Just gonna mix it around. And the chia seeds are gonna plump up in no time. Next, we're gonna zest an entire lemon. Add a nice pop to the dish. And it's actually it complements the berries very well. And then we're going to juice half the lemon. Juicy. Give it a whisk. So now let's just double check to see if the flavor's all right for the chia jam. I'm just gonna use a little thin rice cake. Oh, that lemon. Now, if you're not a fan of berry citrus, you can omit the lemon juice altogether and just use a lemon zest for that nice kind of zing to the jam. We will only be using about 2 tablespoons of the jam today in our recipe. So everything else you can leave in the fridge up to 1 week and top it on top of pancakes or your toast. Now it's time to assemble the fish. So I've been preheating my oven. So now to each fish, just sprinkle a little bit of salt, some pepper, and now we're gonna top each fish with a dollop of jam. Don't contaminate your jam by touching the fork onto the fish. Dollop first, and then use a knife to spread it all around. And then we're gonna coat the jam on top with some crushed pecans. That's time to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees. It's out of the oven, so we're gonna carefully transfer the fish. This pecan chia seed crusted fish is great alongside a simple salad. And remember, you can always keep the chia jam in the fridge for up to 1 week or freeze for up to 3 months. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. And until next time, relish every bite.